How you doing, guys? And welcome to another episode. This episode, I'm just gonna show you something that probably if you wanna get into being a mechanic or you wanna get into fixing the car yourself, maybe this is gonna help you. In this case, a long time ago, I purchased this in Harbor Freight. This cutting tool, which is the Chicago Electric Power Tool, and this is the rotary tool that they sell. Really close to a Dremel, and I don't know how many of you guys prefer to buy the Dremel. I bought this because this one is really cheap. This one, I think I paid like $10 for it, and if you go to Harbor Freight right now, I believe it's on $10 deal. But the only thing on this tool, if you get this tool, you're gonna get all this set right here, and you're gonna get all this little stuff. Obviously, I didn't purchase this because all the cutting tools. I purchased this just for the rotary tool itself, because whatever is coming on the package is not really good. All these things, if you can see, this one is not even hooked to it. It's like you're not even gonna be able to use these ones. Okay, so like for example, this one, I used it one time to clean, and it tear itself to pieces. These ones is probably the ones that you're gonna be able to use just to grind or to clean, but I don't think you're gonna be able to use a lot of them. Like for example, these ones, this is the one that you used to use the little cutting wheels. In this case, I use these Dremel ones. I used to use these ones before, and they last. They're supposed to be heavy duty, but they break really easy. You can see right there. I used to use this one, attach this one to the cutting tool. I used to attach this one to the cutting tool, and then I was cutting the stuff. Like for example, when I did my I don't know if you guys been following the channel, I did the hood latches on my Accord. When I cut my hood, I was using these wheels, these cutting wheels, and pretty much I used the whole thing to make those two little holes on my hood. So the only thing that I would recommend if you wanna get this tool is get the tool, which is really cheap. I've been cutting a lot of stuff with it. I've been having no problems with this because I cut the hood, I cut a lot of stuff that I was doing for some other projects. I've been using this one a lot. My recommendation, get a $10 tool if you don't want to spend a lot on the Dremel, because the Dremel is not like really expensive, but you can save some money the way I'm doing it, and I'm just gonna show you the way I do it. Getting the tool from Harbor Freight, and then you can go to your local Walmart and purchase the quick release from Dremel, which is this one right here, and then get the AC lock cutting wheels. For example, in this case, I purchased this in Walmart, and these cutting wheels from Dremel, and that's the way I've been doing my jobs, because it's really easy. You have the cutting wheel right here and the AC lock. You put your cutting wheel on it, locks in place, and there you go. That's the way I've been doing my jobs lately. I recommend you, if you want to save some money, to go this route, and that's what I've been doing. These ones are really good, because when you have this type of setup, even these ones are heavy duty from Dremel, still they're not really good, because with this setup they break easily. But if you have these ones, this is the way to go. And I'm gonna show you right now. I have my safety glasses. I'm gonna show you right now the way I do it. Okay guys, so I have this piece of metal right here. I'm gonna show you how I have my chip cutting tool with my Dremel AC lock and my wheel, it makes it so much easier. And like I said before, I never have problems with this tool. I really recommend to have something like that if you wanna get into getting your own tools and start working on your cars, and if you want to do modifications. This has been helping me a lot. I don't have to go crazy with the Dremel. This is my little tip for you on this episode. Get this AC lock with this part from the AC lock, and then you don't have to use all the cheap stuff that came with that tool. Obviously, if you buy the Dremel, it's a little bit more expensive, but you have all the tools, and then you have cutting wheels, you have everything. They came with this one, but these ones you cannot even use them because they're really cheap. So I tried to use them. They're not working. To be honest, they're not working. And for these companies that you see right here, they're not paying me for this. I pay for this with my own money, so I'm not sponsored by them. If you like this episode, please comment down below. I can make more about it and more about my tools, and in case you want to start working on your car and you start collecting tools, I can help you out with that. So guys, I hope you like this one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.